I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This morning I want to share with you the book of James, chapter 1 and verse 22. This is what the word of God says. But be doers of the word and not hearers only, deceiving yourselves. Verse 23. For if anyone is a hearer of the word and not a doer, is like a man observing his natural face in a mirror. Verse 24. For he observes himself, goes away, and immediately forgets what kind of man he was. If we go to the book of James, chapter 2 and verse 13, the word of God says, For not the hearers of the law are just in the sight of God, but the doers of the law will be justified. My brother, my sister, the Lord is saying to you and I this morning here, we have to be doers of the word. It's easy to be a hearer of the word, to hear what the word of God is saying. But we have to go and do it. Jesus says, but be doers of the word and not hearers only, deceiving yourself. You can deceive yourself. I can deceive myself by just thinking that I can just only hear the word and not do the word. It says in Luke chapter 6 and from verse 46, Jesus is speaking here. He says, but why do you call me Lord, Lord, and not do the things which I say? Meaning do the word. Verse 47, whoever comes to me and hears my sayings and does them, I will show you whom he is like. Verse 48, he is like a man building a house who dug deep and laid the foundation on the rock. And when the flood arose, the stream beat vehemently against that house and could not shake it, for it was founded on the rock. Verse 49, for he who heard and did nothing is like a man who built a house on the earth without a foundation, against which the stream beat vehemently, and immediately it fell, and the ruin of that house was great. My brother, my sister, we have to start being doers of the word. We have to start doing the word. Because if we're not going to do the word, Jesus says we will be like that foolish man who did not build his house on the rock, but on the sand. If we do the word, my brother, my sister, we will build our house and our lives on the rock of Jesus Christ. Do not deceive yourself, my brother, my sister. If you're going to think that you can only hear the word and not be a doer, we have to be doers of the word, not hearers only.